yung smile ni Ton.
Oo.
Kaya pala iba yung smile ni Ton ngayon.
Kaya si Direk Freddy din, kalmang-kalma.
Oh, sabi ko.
Picked by
Coach Yong.
Coach Yong Garcia. Kasi Coach Yong, takot lumiit yung team, no? Yung lahat ng kinuha, 6'4" and above, eh. Escobar, siyempre si Fenner. Bawal lumiit ang Northern team.
Ang ganda ng lineup sa pareho.
Ganda.
Di ba?
Ang ganda.
Omission because it was always a tough choice, especially if you are playing for a powerhouse team as Lomtong is blocked by Wamar. Sabi ni Wamar, galaw ko yan eh.
Length, di ba? Ni Ladi and Gonzalez. Now it's Orlan Wamar showing us a preview of the All-Star going to another All-Star in Mike Calisaan.
Players ng North, lalo na, they do have some really good guards there in the North na sa lineup nila, no? They got MJ Hoson as well.
Right.
An even better season from last year, although he started last year. Okay, although he started last year, it's just that Caloocan is just loaded right now. And Kian Baclaan and Dom Escobar all made the All-Star team.
Medyo mahirap din talaga na pumili because of the depth of that team.
Because of his last year, nag-ano siya, Mythical 5. Oh, nice, Hesi. Gusto ko yan. What a move, man.
Mada, who nailed that tough triple to cut the lead down to 3 with 2 minutes left in the ball game na sinagot agad.
Kayo pala yun ni Coach Mike, no?
Yes.
Ito, okay din to. Relan Torres, libre sa 3. Pasok.
Playing with Jerry Abadiano. Back in college, he was playing with LJ Gonzalez, RJ Abariento. So laging sanay ito na may depth on that point guard position. Getting another triple.
But he is just a really solid player. Yun ang yung masasabi ko dito kay Royce Alforque. May have forced that one, Lomtong.
Royce gives it up to Rayland. 4 on the game clock. Rayland uses his body, step side, fade away. Nasupal si Rayland Torres with JP Belenchon, and that will end the first half.